pack him up. We got this nice backpack. King Ilo can sit inside and I carry him. I'm gonna be his camel. Today we're taking a day off. We are in Valley of Fire National Park, just an hour outside of Las Vegas.
We've mentioned this so many times in previous vlogs and over the years. You get it by now that nature is so healing. And then what happened? One day a week we go out in nature and we really try to get off the computer and be fully submerged in the beauty and the energy and the stillness and the lessons that come from nature and the lessons from Ilo, all about patience.
We had a bumpy start to the year. We had some friends visiting, which was amazing. This was a really good time and highlight. Our friends Arne and Serena from Germany came. They're also the godparents of Ilo, so that was a really good time. Although we were all feeling a little bit under the weather and a little bit low on energy somehow with the transition of the year and having so much going on and everything.
Yeah.
It was a well-deserved rest for them and some downtime, and for us too. Unfortunately, I got injured doing jiu-jitsu. I thought it was something broken on the cartilage or the bone itself, but luckily it's not. And I've taken really good care of myself for the recovery the whole January, and now I'm feeling a lot better. I'm back to training jiu-jitsu and back to filming and back to teaching. But the first week or so was rough. Morning ice baths, evening hot tub, and lots of recovery stuff. Good food, good sleep. It all helped. So that's healing well, and we also worked on a lot of really big projects.
Did you have something to say?
Anything to mention about the project? Yeah. Now that he's having a little snack, we can continue.
Like most men, just put a boob in their face and then they shut up.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind. So there's a lot happening this year. One of the big things is teacher training will happen end of this year. All the information on this in the description below. We also talk about this in our live Q&As every month. Also, retreats are happening again end of this year, in addition to a couple of other really big projects.
Ilo wants you to tell him.
I will not tell them. Nächstes Mal. A lot of big projects that we will mention in the next few weeks and maybe months. Like, this is how it is for us to film something here. We're sitting here for 20 minutes.
And it's probably a 2-minute section.
Los geht's. We're going down here and then through the canyon towards the sun.
And I'm gonna do it barefoot. I was serious. That's one thing we realized that we don't like so much about the desert areas. There's not a lot of places where we can be outside and be barefoot and actually have our feet on the earth. So now that we're here, I can take advantage of it for a few minutes as we walk through this canyon. But really we should be getting way more than that. But this is good for now.
Many people don't know about this, but when we got married, we got matching tattoos, the snowflake.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into.
I love that in the sea of shoe prints, we are leaving behind footprints. Maybe it will inspire other people to like, yeah, I should be barefoot too. And then everyone on the trail is barefoot. Earthing for everyone.
Who's gonna save you? gonna make you.
Vlogging always takes 10 times longer than we anticipate. We've been here already for 3 hours and we only made it through one trail. But we enjoyed it. Enjoyed every breath, enjoyed every step. It's all good. Happened exactly as it was meant to happen.
Oh, yay. We had 2 hikes planned for today and the sun already set and we've already been here for 3-4 hours because of all the different shots and everything.
Yeah, it takes so much.
And then there's also times where we just don't want to film and we just enjoy the view or enjoy the walk and we don't want to film like everything and then not be here for the trail. Although we've done it many times, there's always more to see, but filming yourself just takes a lot longer.
Yeah.
But it's okay, we don't want to complain, it just takes a long time.
Yeah.
And
we don't get to show you as much as we could today. So
Exactly.
you'll have to wait for another video.
One topic that we forgot to talk about.
Okay, do it again. Sorry.
One topic that we forgot to mention earlier while we were sitting at the rock was of course the hiring topic, and that we extend our team and that we were looking for the last 2 months for people to join our team, and we received almost 1,000 applications and we had so many things going on and we had such a beautiful time looking through all of it, but it was also a lot because it was just the 2 of us, and to look through 1,000 like really amazing resumes and the form responses with the beautiful write-ups, it was really heart melting. We were like, we want to hire all of you and we want all of you to work with us.
Yeah.
But we don't have 10 million to pay all of you.
Yeah, maybe someday. We'll just go back and review that whole
Hit
spreadsheet
subscribe.
of 1,000
Maybe it
people.
helps so we can hire more people.
Yeah. But seriously, that was such a massive project, going through and reading and reviewing and reflecting on every single word of every single application. It was a lot to read through everyone's applications. But we are just so incredibly grateful that many people took the time and the energy to even put together a resume and submit this form and write up everything that they have to give. We were so blown away, actually. We didn't even really have any expectations of how many people would apply. But it's not just the amount of people that applied, it was like all of the heart and all of the energy and love that went into the submissions. Like I had to like prepare myself going in to read all of the applications because I would just start crying, and I knew I was gonna cry at some point. So I would literally like, all right, gonna go read some applications, and like have my tissue box here because I'm just like crying. It was so beautiful. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that took the time and the energy to fill out the applications, to send it to your friends, to share the word and share the message so that we can continue to find other lights in this world that align with our mission to share the teachings of yoga. And we're just so excited to introduce you to our new team members soon. For future openings, we're not going to be announcing it as much as we did the last round, which I think even then it was only our newsletter and Instagram or something. But if you just want to head to our website at any point, we might have new roles opening up and new positions available. So keep checking back if you're interested and if you really feel the calling to come and work with us and be a part of this mission.
Now we continue our way out of this hike and back to the car to get out, and we have to put the shoes back on. It's getting cold and dark and they are kind of strict about leaving.
Oh, you wanted to say goodbye?
Lean in, bud.
Why did you say goodbye?
We have to get out of here so we don't get a ticket for staying after sunset.
Yes.
Okay, also, los geht's. See you in the next one. Peace.
Great. My boy. Ready to go home?